This how to 1 minute will show you how to add HTML code or embed codes in Wix. So as you can see right now, I'm in site editor, and now I'm going to clicking on this plus icon to add elements, and here you have to click on embed code. Now you will get here three options. One is embed HTML, another is embed a site, and the last one is custom element. So I'm going to embed HTML code. So I'm clicking on this plus icon, and here make sure to select code, and now enter here your HTML code that you want to embed, and click on apply, and that's how we can embed codes to Wix. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.